Welcome back to our channel. This is Yijin Hardware, a channel that enjoys sharing machining. In this video, we talk about 6 commonly used machining knurling tools, which can perform a variety of knurling processes. If you like our channel, don't forget to like and subscribe us. Knurling is a decorative finishing process. After knurling, the workpiece can increase the aesthetics, easy to hold, mainly as a non-slip roll. Single wheel extrusion knurling tool installation. Put in the fixed shaft, install the knurling wheel, tighten the fixing screws. Single wheel extrusion knurling tool has strong versatility. All kinds of equipment can be used. Single wheel extrusion knurling knife to do straight grain can go knife. Do mesh cannot go knife. Can only be processed less than or equal to the thickness of the knurling wheel pattern. Double wheel extrusion knurling knife with double wheel design. Can make the tool move to process a wider distance, no longer subject to the limitation of the size of the knurling wheel, can move the antilocks and small angle taper antilocks. Single wheel cutting knurling knife can walk straight pattern knurling, right oblique 30 degrees cutting wheel using the shank of the knife itself tilt angle, so that the knurling wheel pattern and the bow parallel, so as to process the pattern type straight pattern. Special adjustable cutter head can process a variety of single-sided oblique grain, while the depth of arching flower finish greatly improved, better processing results. Double wheel cutting knurling knives, walkable reticule knurling. Compared with the extruded knurling tool, the double wheel cutting tool can greatly improve the antilocks, knurling finish and depth, at the same time due to the cutting process to reduce the mirror image of the machine tool force, to achieve the purpose of protecting machine tools and equipment. The upper and lower 2 knurling wheels utilize the principle of front pressure to process the workpiece. The clamp pressure knurling process puts little pressure on the machine tool and protects the machine tool. The front pressure knurling cutter can significantly improve the knurling finish and depth, and it can move the straight grain root straight grain, the fine workpiece straight grain, and the antilocks knurling. 3-wheel cutting knurling tool can move the antilocks knurling. 3 rounds of cutting knurling knives can simultaneously play 3 rounds of positioning, as well as cutting process advantages. Made out of knurling pattern finish is very high and both stability. If you like our channel, please remember to like and follow us. Thank you. We will see you next time.